Good evening, madam. My name is Chow Ying, and my metric number is 2714110. I'm going to talk about the weighted moving average and how to choose the weight of moving average. First of all, what is weighted moving average? The weighted moving average, WMA, is a technical indicator that traders use to generate trade direction and make a buy or sell decision. Weighted moving average helps to determine the trend direction. It could be an indication to buy when prices dip near or just below the weighted moving average. It could be an indication to sell when prices rally towards or just above the weighted moving average. It assigns a heavier weighting to more current data points since they are more relevant than the data points in the distant past. So, how to choose the weight of moving average? As I mentioned before, weighted moving average is a technical indicator that assigns a greater weighting to the most recent data points and less weighting to data points in the distant past. The sum of the weighting should be add up to 1 or 100%. Weighted moving average is different from the simple moving average, which is the weightings of simple moving average are equally distributed. And these are the steps to determine weighted moving average. First, identify the numbers to average. Second, assign the weights to each number. Third, multiply each price by the assigned weighting factor and sum them. The last step is divide the resulting value by the sum of the periods to the weighted moving average. Now let's look at the example Malaysia Airport. Malaysia Airport have been chosen as the stock to forecast. In group assignment, we're going to use several forecasting methods to forecast the price of Malaysia Airport on the 8th of November 2021. Weighted weekly moving average is one of them. First of all, we have to identify the numbers of days to average, such as 5 days as a week. Next, we assign the weights to each number. As we already know that we will assign the greater weighting to the most recent data points and assign the least weighting to the data points in the distant past. We will get the weighting distribution as the table, which are 5 over 50, 0.33 is assigned to 20th August 2021, and 16th August is assigned only 1 over 15, 0.07, whereas 0.13, 0.2, and 0.27 are assigned to 17, 18, and 19 August 2021 respectively. To forecast the price on 23rd August 2021 by using the weighted moving average, we're going to multiply each price by the assigned weighting factor and sum up the numbers so that we will get the calculation below, which is 0.33 times the price, 5 ringgit and 82 cents, plus 0.27 times 5 ringgit and 78 cents, plus 0.2 times 5 ringgit and 83 cents, plus 0.13 times 5 ringgit and 77 cents, and the last 0 plus 0.07 times 5 ringgit and 80 cents, so that we will get the forecasting price on 23rd August 2021 is 5 ringgit and 80 cents. Microsoft Excel can be used for solving huge number of weighted moving average. As we said before, we're going to forecast the price of the Malaysia airports on the 8th of November 2021, so that we can use Microsoft Excel to do the weighted moving average. And we finally get the price, which is 6 ringgit and 46 cents on the 8th of November 2021. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.